In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a payment method in Squarespace. We'll walk through this process step by step so you can start accepting payments on your website with confidence. By the end, your online store will be connected to a payment processor like Stripe, PayPal, or Square, and ready to take orders. First, open your Squarespace website and head to your home dashboard. This is the main control center for your site, where you manage pages, design, commerce, and settings. Make sure you're logged into the correct site if you have more than one. On the left-hand side, you'll see a vertical menu. Look for the settings icon in that column. It usually looks like a little gear. Click on that to open your site's settings panel. This is where you manage all the behind-the-scenes options for your website. Within the settings panel, locate and click on the section labeled Selling. Depending on your version of Squarespace, this might also be under Commerce or Business, but you're looking for the area that controls your online store and payments. Click Selling to open those options. Inside the Selling section, click on Payments. This is where you connect your site to a payment processor so you can actually charge customers for products or services. Take a moment to read any notes or requirements on this page, as they may mention country restrictions or supported currencies. Next, you'll see options to connect different payment processors, typically Stripe, PayPal, and Square. Choose the one you already use or prefer. For example, if you use Square for in-person payments, you might want to connect that here as well. Click on the logo or button for your preferred processor. Squarespace will now redirect you to a login page for that payment provider. This is normal and secure. On that page, click into the fields and log into your payment processor account using your usual credentials. After logging in, you'll be asked to grant permissions. This allows Squarespace and your payment processor to securely share the information needed to process payments. Review the permissions, then click on Allow to confirm. When that's done, you'll be redirected back to Squarespace. On the payments page, you should now see the word Connected next to your chosen payment processor. That's your confirmation that everything is set up correctly and your Squarespace site is ready to accept payments.